Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today I will show you how to check analytics in YouTube Studio. First, open the YouTube Studio app or website and log into your account. In the left-hand menu, click on Analytics. Here you'll find detailed data about your channel's performance. You can check views, watch time, subscribers, and revenue. Use the tabs like Overview, Reach, Engagement, and Audience for specific insights. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.